There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a bit of a package, a little upgrade for the turtles. This should be a 75-gallon tub, which is not allowed in my dorm room, but I do not care because the boys are growing. I have a cold, sorry. I'll just get into this because I'm too excited. Let's see. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, this is ridiculous. Okay. Yay! Oh my god. Excuse me. Jesus Christ. Well, I'm gonna get to setting this up and I'll be back in a bit. Hey everyone, so here is the tub and I've got it underneath my bed. And I managed to do that with the help of my friend Andrew. And so what we did was I took my bed and lifted the little posts and I threw a couple bed risers down and now I've got plenty of room down underneath my bed. So here is the turtle pond. I am beginning to fill it. It is a couple inches deep right now. It's only like, I don't know, it's like 3 or 4 inches deep. So now I'm gonna end up taking the fish out and getting the turtles in. Okay, so while Andrew is over here, he is going to be catching some fish. Getting any?
No.
No?
They're difficult.
See, we got, there's 3 platies and a bunch of guppies. Can I see it?
Yeah. Oh, nothing in there.
Nothing
Never
in
mind.
there. All right. Well, he's going to be acclimating the fish. There's the turtles. The tub is just about a quarter of the way filled, which is perfect. There's also a bit of wisteria that is growing roots just from the leaf over there in the corner. Getting them? There's some. Yeah, snag that fella.
It's weird in the stock.
Push it. Yeah, right? Yeah, it's got awkward corners. So while you do that, I am going to be over here cleaning out the filters. Here are some of the fish that we are dealing with. There's 2 platies, that's a baby guppy, that's a bigger guppy, another guppy on the left. All right, pop them out. There we go. All right. Oh boy. You're fine, buddy. So first, I'm gonna get the decorations out. These are the rest of the fish. Going in. for a second. So here go all the little fish. They're all doing well, huh?
Yeah, they acclimated well.
Cool, no casualties.
Even the fry.
Oh, there's a lot.
The fries are eating already.
Yes, that is a platy.
I believe it's a Mickey Mouse.
Hey, little friends. Alright, time for the turtles. A bean, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're escaping. I know you. Look at him, this little jerk. He knows exactly what he's doing. Get over here, baby. Alright, so thanks to the wonders of Florida, these are a whole bunch of, I think they're platies. I don't think they're swordtails. Pretty sure these guys are just big platies that we found in a pond, and I know about the dangers of them possibly having parasites and whatever other crap. I think that they'll be okay. It was a pretty clean system. It was filtered pretty well by a bunch of plants, and these guys look really healthy and good. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss them in the pond and see how they do. Okay, so here we've got a whole bunch of fish, and I'm gonna take the net and start scooping them up. Got some, yeah, there's like, there, see, so these guys are really pretty. He's in the hole, currently getting out. All right, come on out, buddy. Go ahead. There, he just plopped in. There he is. So these guys are doing pretty well. I've already thrown in a couple, but they're really nice. They almost look like rainbow fish, but they're super pretty. They clearly school together, which I think is pretty interesting. That's an orange platy that I bought from the store. He doesn't count. And there's also this variety that's black with an orange head, which I think is also really cool. So I'm still setting this up. I've thrown in some more driftwood, but this is going to be a work in progress. It's going to be a little, it's going to be changing like constantly.
That's all the Aki tank was.
Yeah.
Went through like 3.
Yeah, I'll have a video on your Aki because I think it's really cool. Okay, so here, a couple days later, oh hey, there's me. And there's little beanie boy, who's probably hungry right now. Anyway, a couple days later, what I've done is I've gone out and gotten some bricks in order to build up the basking area over there in the back. In case you guys are wondering, my third turtle I had to sell because Pet Life on my campus, I got reported for having more than 2 diamondback terrapins in the state of Florida, which you're not allowed to have, and so they came and told me that I had 48 hours to get rid of him. So that's where he is. So for now, I've only got Bean, who's right there, and Pancake. So what I've done is I've taken 2 bricks and stacked them there, 2 bricks over there, and put 1 paver on top. And what that has done is it's created a little cave underneath there. I'm gonna put some wood and whatnot around it. Oh, look at that! Welcome to the world, friends. Those are newborn fry. And I can tell that because they are still not moving. They are not even free swimming. That means that they were born 5 minutes ago. That's so cool. Welcome to the world, friends. So those little guys, algae is going to grow on here and whatnot. They'll have plenty to eat by the time we're through. Let me lower this heat lamp a little bit. Perfect. There we go, 89. So here comes little Bean. Hi, baby. Who is hungry at the moment. So let's get these guys something to eat. Also, for the record, as you can see there, not all fish are going to make it. Like I said, he's got a literal chunk taken out of him, but this fish is doing okay. It just took them a couple days to adjust to the turtles and for the turtles to adjust to them. But I'm pretty sure that a good number of fish are surviving, because there's really not that many that I saw taken away that got eaten. So let's get some food in here. And the fish, of course, are going to come and eat as well. Also, in case you guys don't know, I don't feed my fish. What I do is I break up turtle food and then give that to them, and they eat any leftovers and any uneaten turtle food or turtle poop. Basically, turtles have nutrients that they pass that they don't need per se, but the fish will eat that and get something out of it. Otherwise they wouldn't eat it. I've also noticed that they've become a lot less friendly, a little bit more apprehensive in a larger enclosure. Although the boys are being good today. I say boys, I have no idea whether they are male or female. I will not know until they get bigger. However, I do know that they are pretty and doing really well in this enclosure. Also, for the record, I will be upgrading filters. That will be a separate video. So thanks for watching till the end. Just to recap, this is my 75-gallon turtle pond. I'll have a video on the filter that I built for it because I need to upgrade because the filter is only rated for 40 gallons. I'll have that video out soon. But overall, thanks for watching. Any questions or comments that you have for me, leave them in the comment section. I promise I'll read them all. And if you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button to see more future shenanigans because I do have an animal that nobody really knows about. So I'll have a video on that soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.